Cinnamon roll pancakes are a delightful breakfast treat that will make your morning special. They combine the best of both worlds, bringing together the fluffy texture of pancakes and the rich, warm spices of cinnamon rolls. You get fluffy pancakes that melt in your mouth, and you also get the comforting, aromatic spices of cinnamon rolls that fill your kitchen with a heavenly scent. This recipe is perfect for a cozy weekend breakfast where you can take your time and savor each bite. It is also great for a special brunch with friends and family, making any gathering feel festive and warm. These pancakes are surprisingly easy to make, even if you're not an experienced cook. The recipe has 3 parts, each simple and straightforward. First, you make the cinnamon swirl, which adds that signature cinnamon roll flavor. Then you make the pancake batter, ensuring it's light and fluffy. Last, you whip up a simple cream cheese glaze that adds a creamy, tangy finish to your pancakes. Don't worry, each step is easy to follow with clear instructions to guide you through the process. Soon you'll be enjoying a plate of these irresistible pancakes, perfect for any breakfast or brunch occasion. Whether you're making them for a family breakfast or a special brunch, these cinnamon roll pancakes are sure to be a hit with everyone. The combination of flavors and textures will leave you craving more, making every morning feel like a special occasion. Before you begin, gather your ingredients. This step is crucial to ensure a smooth cooking process. Having everything laid out and ready will save you time and make the experience more enjoyable. You'll need separate sets of ingredients for the pancakes, the cinnamon swirl, and the cream cheese glaze. Each component adds a unique flavor and texture to the final dish, so it's important to prepare them individually. For the pancakes, you'll need flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, milk, eggs, and melted butter. These basic ingredients come together to create a fluffy and delicious base for your breakfast treat. The cinnamon swirl requires softened butter, brown sugar, cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. This mixture will be swirled into the pancake batter, adding a sweet and spicy kick that elevates the dish. Finally, for the cream cheese glaze, you'll need softened cream cheese, powdered sugar, vanilla extract, and a little milk. This glaze will be drizzled over the pancakes, adding a creamy and tangy finish that complements the cinnamon swirl perfectly. Having everything measured and ready will make the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. It allows you to focus on the cooking itself, ensuring that each step is executed perfectly. So take your time to prepare, and you'll be rewarded with a delicious and satisfying breakfast. Now let's make the cinnamon swirl. This is the heart of our recipe, the element that will transform ordinary pancakes into a delightful symphony of flavors. This is what gives the pancakes their signature cinnamon roll flavor, a perfect blend of sweetness and spice that dances on your taste buds. In a bowl, combine the softened butter, brown sugar, cinnamon, and salt. These ingredients come together to create a rich, aromatic mixture that is both sweet and slightly salty. Mix them together until well blended. The key here is to ensure that the butter is fully incorporated with the sugar and spices, creating a smooth, cohesive mixture. The mixture should be thick and paste-like. This consistency is crucial for creating those beautiful, swirling patterns in your pancakes. Once the cinnamon swirl mixture is ready, scoop it onto a piece of parchment paper. This step makes it easier to handle and shape the mixture. Roll the parchment paper into a log shape, twisting the ends to secure the mixture. This log will help you create even slices for your pancakes. Place this log in the freezer for about 15 minutes. Freezing it will firm up the mixture, making it easier to slice without it falling apart. This will make it easier to slice and add to the pancakes later. When you're ready to cook, you'll have perfect, uniform pieces to create that iconic cinnamon swirl in each pancake. While the cinnamon swirl is chilling, prepare the pancake batter. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. In a separate bowl, whisk together the milk, eggs, and melted butter. Gradually add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients, whisking gently until just combined. Don't overmix the batter. A few lumps are okay. Overmixing will make the pancakes tough. Let the batter rest for a few minutes. Heat a lightly greased griddle or skillet over medium heat.